Join us as we look at the brand new gingerbread carousel up in the lobby of Disney's Beach Club Resort. This carousel is a very special gingerbread carousel. It is the 25th anniversary of the gingerbread carousel being put up in the Beach Club. And this year is a very special 25th anniversary edition. You see 25s on the horses. There's 25s up at the top of the carousel as well. So this is in the main lobby of Disney's Beach Club Resort. You can see it there. It doesn't spin, but it's a very, very neat and interesting thing to look at. They list all the ingredients, the names of all the Disney culinary and pastry team members that helped build this gingerbread carousel. So do check it out at the Beach Club Resort. Now, when you're done looking at the carousel, they also have a store, a little section that sells cookies and some gingerbread shingles and gingerbread cookies in the shape of Mickey Mouse ears. They have a wide variety of beverages, all sorts of cookies, as you can see there, including German Christmas cookies and Stollen as well. Operation hours are 10 to 10 every day for the store. Of course, the carousel is available whenever to look at. But there you go. So you see there's those Mickey ears. They have ornaments and a special 25th anniversary pin. So go to the Beach Club, check out the 25th anniversary gingerbread carousel. Enjoy.